Neil McCuaig, student number 301240334. And a picture of me. Alright then, so open up a terminal, sudo system ctl status httpd. Insert my password. As you can see, the Apache server is active and running. Press Q to close out of that. Alright, now we want cd etc http d conf.d to go to this folder. Then ls to check the files. Then we want to check the file by going vi etc httpd conf.d and then user directory.conf. Here, user directory disabled has been commented out, and user directory public_html is active. Now, we return to my home, go down into public_html. Here are the files. vi index.html. There is my HTML file for the index page. Very basic, but that's fine. Exit. vi not found.html. My short little error prompt. Exit. Finally, vi.htaccess. And there is the error document 404. Okay, finally, open up Firefox. https://localhost, and as you can see, I've already visited it, so it auto-completes, and there's the home page, basic as it is. And if I take the E out to make it incorrect, it sends me to the error 404 page. And that is all.